how to go live on Instagram. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our Instagram app right here. And then the next thing that we need to do is to click our profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then make sure that you are using a professional account. So if you're not using a professional account, what we're going to do is to click on the upper right corner of the screen and then click the three horizontal lines right here. And then just scroll down until you see this Creator Tools and Controls, which is right there. So click that one right there. And then you will now be able to see Switch Account Type. So just click on that. And then we will have these two options, which is the business account and then of course the personal account. But since I'm already in the professional account, what you're going to do is to just convert your account from personal to professional. So just look for switch to professional account right there. And then after that, you should now be able to see this. Now, once you are now done with that, what we're going to do next is to go here on the upper left corner of the screen and then click the plus icon. After that, in this part, you should be able to see a live feature. However, if you don't see any live feature right there, then that is because your account should have at least 1,000 followers before you can use the live features. So if your account that doesn't have more than 1,000 followers, then unfortunately, you can't use the live feature. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to go live on Instagram.